If you're looking to create conditional logic forms without any coding knowledge, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up these forms quickly and easily using a tool that doesn't require any technical skills. By the end, you'll be able to create powerful forms that adapt based on your users' answers. And I'll give you a free trial of the software I'm using so you can follow along. Conditional logic forms let you show or hide fields depending on how users respond to previous questions. This makes forms smarter and more personalized, saving time and reducing confusion for your users. Let's get started with the steps. First, you'll need the right software. The software we'll be using today is simple to get started with and perfect for creating these kinds of forms. It allows you to easily add conditional logic without needing to write a single line of code. You'll find a link to an exclusive free trial in the description below, available only to viewers of my channel. So make sure to check it out. Now, let's dive into creating your conditional form. Once you've signed up and logged into the software, the first thing you need to do is create a new form. Depending on your platform, this might look like a simple Create Form button. Click it and you'll be taken to the form editor. Start by adding the fields you need. These might include text fields, checkboxes, or drop-downs. Let's say you're building a contact form. You might want to ask the user for their name, email, and then a drop-down where they can select what type of service they're interested in. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you have your fields in place, you can set up the conditional logic. For instance, let's say you want to ask, what type of service are you interested in? If the user selects consulting, you can show a follow-up question like, what kind of consulting are you looking for? But if they select support, that follow-up question doesn't show. To add this conditional logic, look for an option like rules or logic in your form editor. There, you'll set the conditions. The interface is super intuitive. Just select the field and the condition. For example, if service type is consulting, show follow-up question. Once you've set up your rules, make sure to test your form. Go through it yourself and see if the logic works as expected. It should only show relevant fields based on previous answers. This makes the form easier for your users and helps you collect more accurate data. When you're happy with the form, publish it and it's ready to go. Now you've got a form that automatically adapts to your users' responses, making it look professional and saving both you and your users time. The key takeaway here is that creating conditional logic forms without coding is incredibly simple with the right software. You don't need to know a thing about programming to set this up. With just a few clicks, you can make your forms more dynamic and user-friendly. To quickly recap, here's what we covered. Start by selecting the software you'll be using. Add the fields you need to your form. Set up the conditional logic rules for each field. Test your form to make sure everything works, and then publish it. Don't forget, if you want to follow along with the exact software I used in this video, be sure to grab your exclusive free trial from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.